Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Online Medicine Delivery System. This is new project. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. This is a bootstrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID also. So this technology stack we have used for development this project, and this is a responsive theme. If you click on the inspect, you can click on that, you can see. So this is a mobile version of the website, you can see. Now let's start the functionality of this project. Our project title is Medicine Delivery System. We have developed this project with two different types of interface. First one is front-end user face and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface, but both are responsive. We are using bootstrap theme. This is a major project. From this project, student can learn a lot of things, like means how can you create the database, how can you manage the database, PHP with CRUD application, create, update, delete, many of things you can learn. Let's start the features that we have developed in this project. So this is a home page. If you can check, this is a header bar. You can search anything from here, and this is a totally responsive page. We have added three images here. You can see image has been changed. So this is all of the home page. Now this is the about us page. This is a totally static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a products page. You can see all the products which are coming from the database. This is a totally dynamic page. Now click on the view details. You can see all the details about the products. Same for categories. This is a category page. This is totally dynamic. We can add number of category here. You can see we have added 8 categories. This is a dynamic page, so you can add the number of category from the database. This is a registration page. Here user can register. This is a login page. Without login, you can't access the internal page. So you must have the user ID and the password. And this is a contact us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page, but we have integrated a small map here. You can see. So, so let's go. If I buy some medicines, like click on products. If I want to buy vitamin D 400, click on view details. You can add the number of items like a 1, 2, 3. So click on the add to cart. Oh, there is a restrictions. Without login, you can't buy the medicine. So, but you must have the user account on this portal for buying any medicines. User ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. Oh, this is the dashboard. First, click on the products. Click on view details. If you want to buy 2 items, you can add the number of items and click on the add to cart. Oh, you can see the to- quantity is 2 items and the that much total amounts get calculating automatically, and the total amount, that much amount you need to pay. So click on the proceed to checkout. You will be able to see payment page. This is a dummy page, not a real page. You can enter anything like a card name, name of card, master. You can click expiry date, anything like a 23rd CVC 1, 2, 3. Click on make payment page. You can see your payment has been done, and this is a order summary. You can see your order from the my order list. You can see your order details. If you want to click on I icon, you can see the related order summary. This is a great dashboard. You can see you have to placed number of total orders, complete orders, transit orders, delivered orders. Just click on the I icon. You can see your order details. Like here, you can see your order details. These are important links. Either you can go on the page from this, or either clicking on this page. You can see this is a my account page. Here user can update his account, and this is a change password. This is a change password. Here user can easily update his password. This is a logout page. This is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this administration option is showing, logout option was also showing, and the dashboard option was also showing. If I log out, then you can see menu has been changed because of the customer has login, and the system is checking who is login, and accordingly so that upper menu has displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open first admin. So slash admin. Sorry. This is a admin panel. You need to log in, right? So without login, you can't access the internal page. Now click on the admin at the rate gmail.com, and the password is test. Now click on sign in. So this is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, total delivered orders, confirmed order. You can see everything from here. This is a dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing, because you can minimize it from here. If you can refresh the page, the like will comes again like this. You can see. So this is a very great dashboard. Now comes on the product management. Click on add to cart page. This is a add product page. Here admin can easily add a new products, and you can see also see the product report. You can easily edit from here. You can see product report is has been visible in edit format. This is a product report page. You can see all products report are visible. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can easily edit. You can see the product will be visible, is a visible in edit format. You can export the data as CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can see. You can do disable or enable the columns from it. If you want to don't see the image, you can click on that. If you want to show the image, then you can click on that. You can see image has been visible. So this is power of this table. Same for the category. Here admin can add a new category. From here you can see the category report. From here all category report, you can see, and you can also export the data as well as CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. This is a all orders page. You can see all orders from here. Click on the view icon. You can see the order details. If you want to order cancelled, click on cancel and update. You can see your order has been cancelled. This is a customer management. This is a add customer page. Here admin can add a new customer, and this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report. This is a change password. Admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout page. So this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different type of view for the managing this whole project, online medicine delivery. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.